Okay, welcome back guys. So we shall continue our analysis here. So the first thing we do is to load it. So types of load on a building, we have the dead load and we have the live load. So add. So under the dead load, sorry, under the dead load, we have the self weight, you add it. Then we have member load. Now if you notice, the member load is in kilonewton per millimeter, so I want to change it to kilonewton per meter. So I'll come back here, unit, search unit on this place, then change it to meter and kilonewton, apply. So come back here, so you add it, member load. So I'm working on -10 for the block wall, so you add it. Then in case for the roof, I'm going to use -1.5, so you add it. Now I'm going to the floor load. So for my dead load, that's my partition, screeding and other finishing, I'm using -2.2. so minimum 0, maximum 6. Okay, add, close. So see it, this assign it to the front view. You can select this, assign to selected beams, assign. Then this, assign to the remaining beams. You can assign based on property, so assign to selected beams, assign. Okay, unit weight assign to view, assign. Then the next load is to add floor load. So pressure, I'm using -2, so 0 to 6. So you add, close, sorry, delete one. Okay, next thing I do is to create loading combination. So define loading combination. This one is for the service load. Bring it 1 factor. Then the next one is ultimate load. So bring this to 1.4 GK and 1.6 QK, 1.6. So you add, close. Next thing we do is run analysis, define command, add, close. Concrete, I'm not analyzing yet, so run analysis, save. Okay, so 0 errors, 0 one notes. So we are done. Next thing, there are two ways of designing. I've done this design in one of my previous video. I'm also going to drop the link in the description so you see it. So we'll come to concrete design. Okay, so the first thing we do is create envelope, new envelope, 4-story building, story. Okay, so my load. Now in case if you are designing and you didn't put a load combination, you can come here to see the previous load, but I want to work with my load combination, so I'll show load combination only and bring it here. Okay, next thing I do is come to member. I like everything, then members, auto form members. Now what auto form member means is if I select this beam, it's telling me it's a simply supported beam, but in reality it's actually a continuous beam. So as I formed members, now I'll take my member cursor, highlight it and see the continuous beam. Highlight this also is a continuous beam. So the next thing I also do is for my slab too. So I'll select, sorry, front view. I'll select this place, slab, form slab, that's one. This also, form slab, then this also, form slab. So, okay, so as you can see now the slab is one, that means we are doing everything at once. Okay, so grouping and briefing, new brief, beam. What design code am I using? BS8110. Okay, so I'm using 25 for my cover, 25 for my cover, 25. Then I'm using FCU 30. main reinforcement, I'm using 16, 25, 16, 25, let me change it to 10, 10, 12, grading, let me use 500. So shell reinforcement, you can also do it. Says I'm using 10, okay, 500. Okay, that's for my beam. Next I do is to create my column brief. Column, give it any name you want, column. Then come here, column also. Okay, then choose your concrete strength. So I'm using, let me use 35, 30, yes. I'm using this strength. So minimum size, I can use 12, maximum, let's say 32. Then column factor, so they are on brace, no shear wall, so leave it. So member load cases, bring them here. Okay, the next thing I do is to create for my slab. Okay, so I'm using 20, FCU, I'm using 30. Okay, main reinforcement, so I want to work with 12, 10, 12, 10. Okay, so is that grid? Okay, so the first thing I do is select my beam. So I select my beam like this. So make sure the beams are selected. New design group is a beam, so beam, you can give it any name you want. Beam. Okay, next one is your column. So these are the members of the beams. So next one is the column. So I can select it this way. I'm selecting again. So hold control for multiple selection. That's hold control for multiple selection. Okay, and make sure all the columns are selected. New design group, column. Okay, so these are the column members and these are the beam members. So okay, next thing is to form slab. So new design slab, so you come here, take the slab, highlight, new design slab, slab 1, slab for slab 1. Okay, you can do the next one again, slab 2. Okay, then slab 3. Okay, so I'm done with that. Next thing I do is come to concrete member. So I'm working with beam first. So let me design my beam. Design. So view. So my columns, everything are green. That's why that means everything passed. So you can see the drawing here. Export it to AutoCAD and adjust whatever you want to adjust. These are the results. So it's giving you 4H12. Okay. Then this is shear reinforcement. Main layout. So we've designed it already. Then I can go back to my beam, design my beam, design. So all my beams, they are green, that means they passed. Okay. I can bring out the drawing. This is my drawing. This is my shear reinforcement. This is my shear layout. So you can bring it here. Each 10 at 300. Main reinforcement. This is my bending moment. Main layout. I can bring it to see my reinforcement. So I've designed it. You can see the summary here. So we go to slab 1, then slab. Sorry. You can see your displacements, your moments. Then you can create region. So you design. So it has given me the results here. Okay, let's give me the result. So I can come here, print out my report. So so you can print out your reports. You can print out it to PDF. So let me save it on my desktop as BS 8110. Save. So while it's printing, so in the next video I'm going to import it into RCDC for better detailing and design. Okay, so let's wait for the result to come out. So this is it. Yeah. Come on. So this is it. This is a calculation. I see better of it. Okay. I can also come here. Design. Bring out your design. Okay. So almost everything is ready. So thank you for watching today's video, and please make sure you subscribe. Thank you.